Hi guys, as you all know, your mobile phone screen will go to sleep after a certain time. And as you can see here, you can't change your sleep mode to never in most of the phones. So if you are downloading or uploading any files, there is a chance that it will fail when the phone goes to sleep, right? So in this video, I'm to show you guys how you can easily fix that issue. Let's go. So to stop your phone from going asleep while you are away, first of all, just open your WhatsApp app and enter any chat conversation. Now hold on to audio chat option. Then swipe up to lock the audio chat. So now your audio chat is running, which means your phone will not go to sleep until it ends. And when the file is downloaded or uploaded, you can simply press cancel. So I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.